today I'm showing you a simple body scrub base. I grabbed a jar, a glass jar, and I put turbinado sugar in there, about a cup, and then a cup of white sugar, whatever sugar you choose to use. Next, I'm gonna fill this cup with oil. So I have about 5 tablespoons of one oil, and then I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of another oil. Whatever oil you choose to use is up to you. Just pour it all in there. Now I'm gonna mix this around. I'm just being sure to saturate the sugar with my oil. I want to get it in there. All mix it up real well. So now this is what we're left with. And you can either add more oil or more sugar. So usually I don't like my scrubs this wet, so I'm gonna add some more sugar. There we go. Now is the part where you would add whatever oils you choose, and that's your sugar scrub base.